when sounds and other things are attributed to the zodiac, then it's normally the zodiac addressed, which we find around us in cosmos. And there the Saturn is the furthest out, Jupiter a little bit much closer, but still far away. Then Mars comes, and so on. And on the other hand, you can say they reflect a little bit what Theosophy or spiritual traditions say about the evolution. That in a way, Saturn represents a little bit the energy of the old Saturn when Earth was created in the state of warmth. And Jupiter, in a way, stands for what? The old sun. Huh? Jupiter stands for ether forces, for wisdom, and the old sun is the place where the etheric, the water, no, not the water, but the etheric, after the physical body was created or designed on Saturn, old Saturn, then one speaks about the etheric forces. Next step came about there. And then the Mars reflects, the zodiac Mars, the astronomical Mars reflects a little bit the old moon, in a way, the astrality, the power of Joe, I go for it, yes? There and there, directions, yeah? And so, you could say, and then Earth comes. In the evolution, fourth step. And now you could look that, okay, the feet, so Saturn, and in the knees and in the lower legs, far out. Then Jupiter in the calves and in the feet, far out. And then Mars, where do we find Mars in the zodiac signs? It's in the pelvis, Scorpio, and in the head, Vita. Yeah? So actually, you could say all three of the outer planets, yeah, in a way, are far out, and Mars is the closest in. And he encompasses yeah, the body. And then we go further in, and then we have the Venus forces, the Mercury forces, the Moon, and the Sun forces. Yeah? And they create the life in the body. Yeah? So it's not only the two who are far out, but take also Mars. And then you see, okay, it just touches the body. It's just, yeah, preparing the space where a content of life and soul can start to go at work. And there would be other approaches to it, yeah, more, yeah, because there's still a little bit of not logical things in what I said, because why are the legs, yeah, why does it not go one after the other?